Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Andrea, and tonight I'm going to do a very quick MCM micro bag unboxing for you guys. So I got this one from the website, and it's called the Patricia X Mini wrist bag or micro bag. It comes with this black packaging with the MCM logo all over the box. So let's just open this beauty right here. So first things first is, of course, it comes with the receipt, comes with the care card, and it comes with this wrist strap in calf leather with the MCM logo on it, like so. And of course, the star of the show is this beautiful tiny micro bag. It comes with this white MCM dust bag with the logo. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. This is actually a bite-sized representation of the iconic Patricia crossbody. It is in cognac print with the MCM logo on the front. It measures about 8 by 7 by 3 centimeters, and it comes with this 24 karat gold hardware. At the back, it's got a loop that you can actually insert this strap to use it as a wrist bag, of course, like so. It is made in South Korea. It is so cute. And if you open this, it comes with this laurel snap closure. Let's just open and take off the stuffing. It includes with this removable chain gold plated strap. And there you are, you guys. This is how it looks like. You can use this one as a crossbody, belt bag, or a keychain, like so. It's very multifunctional. I really love it. And what fits in here? That's the big question. It doesn't really fit much. It only fits with this blusher from Benefit. That's all it can fit. But who cares? I love it. There you are, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.